Hello everyone, today let's learn how to calculate the mean deviation for group data. So in this example, here is the class interval column, this is the frequency column. Now the formula for mean deviation is this, but before we can use this formula, we need to find a few values. Now the first value that we need is this xi. So friends, what is xi? Xi is called the class mark and it is nothing but the middle value of any class interval. Now how do we find the class mark? Just add the lower limit and the upper limit and divide by 2. So for example, for the first class interval, we will add 0 plus 10 which is 10 divided by 2 which is 5. So what is the first xi value? 5. It's very simple friends, and in this way you can find out all the xi values, but there is an even easier method. Once you find the first xi value using this method, just add to it the class size and you will automatically get the next xi value. Now how do we calculate the class size? Any class interval you take, just subtract the upper limit and the lower limit. So here we have 30 to 40. So let's do 40 minus 30 which is 10. So the class size is going to be 10. Just need to add it to the first xi value. We'll get 15. See friends, this automatically gives us the next xi value. This way I can easily find out all the xi values. So let's quickly do that. Okay, now this is the xi column. Let's again check the formula. What else do we need? Yes, we need x bar. Now what is x bar? Yes, it's the mean of this group data. Now there are three methods of finding the mean. Direct method, step deviation, and assume mean. You can use any method. Here I'm using the direct method. So let's write the formula for direct method. Well, the mean is nothing but sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Now what is this fi xi? Yes, you simply need to multiply the frequency and the xi value. So let's create a column for that. And we just need to multiply these two values. Now to save time, I've already done the calculation friends. So I'll just write it one below the other. Be careful while you're writing the digits. Write it one below the other. That will help you in addition. So these are all the fi xi values. Now again, let's check the formula. What do we need? Sigma fi xi. So what is sigma? Yes, it is the Greek symbol for addition. So that means we need to add all the fi xi. So on adding friends, you will get 1350 as the answer. Also we need sigma fi. That means yes, the total of all the frequencies which comes to 50. That's it. We have both the values. Let's substitute. So we'll get 1350 divided by 50 which turns out to be, yes, it turns out to be 27. So any method you follow, you will get the same value of mean. Again, let's go back to the mean deviation formula. We need xi minus x bar. So that should be our next thing. Now, just to help me in calculation, I will create an extra column for x bar. So I'll just write the mean friends for each CI. Now this will just help me in doing the subtraction in a better way. If you want, you can avoid this column. So we need xi minus x bar. So just placing your fingers on the correct columns will help you reduce the calculation mistakes. So 5 minus 27 minus 22. Remember there's a negative sign. Here I will get minus 12. Minus 2, 8 and 18. So these are all the xi minus x bar values. Again, let's check the formula. We need modulus of xi minus x bar. What is this symbol friends? It stands for modulus or the absolute value function. Now what do you mean by modulus? Well, modulus simply makes a negative number into a positive number. So if it's minus 22, it becomes plus 22. That's it. It's very simple. Minus 12 will become plus 12. Here this will become plus 2. Now if it is 8, that is if it's already positive, then it will not change anything at all. So you'll simply write 8 and this will remain 18. I hope you understood this friends. So here we have another column already. What else do we need? Yes, we need fi into this whole column. So that tells us what is the next column to be created. We just need to multiply these two columns. So just choose your columns properly. Don't get confused because of so many columns. So we need the fi and this column. So 5 into 22, we'll get 110. Now I've already done the calculation, so I'll just write it quickly. 128 and 108. Now again, let's check what do we need. Yes, we need sigma of all these values, that is addition of all these values. Now when you add all this, it comes to 472 friends, okay? And we already know what is n. N is nothing but the total number of frequencies which we have already found. So let's just substitute all the values. So the mean deviation about the mean is nothing but sigma fi xi minus x bar, which is 472 divided by n, total number of frequencies is 50. Now this, when you divide, it comes out to be 9.44 friends. You can just check it out. So the mean deviation for this group data about the mean is 9.44. So friends, I hope you understood how to find the mean deviation for group data. If you found the video useful, do like and share the video. Consider subscribing to Enjoy Math, and please do leave your comments in the comment section below. So till we meet again, take care.